to go through our web application named Lunchbox. Lunchbox is a smart meal planning and receipt sharing web application designed to help users organize, customize, and track their meals effortlessly. Whether you're prepping for the week or exploring new dishes, Lunchbox provides a fun, interactive, and health-conscious platform for all food lovers. So it's built with the Men Snack, MongoDB, Express.js, React Node.js, and started with Taiwan CSS. Launchbox delivers a sleek and responsive experience across devices. So today we are going to go over all the user stories with my team members, and then I'll start with the registration. So as a user, I can register an account so that I can access personalized features. So I'll start with a positive scenario. Okay, so I will try to register. I'll register with my name, email, and password. Perfect. So one sec. Just making sure that the password is the same. Okay. And then after that, I will also try the negative test and then try to register with the existing email. So the same email. And in this case, it won't go through. Okay, perfect. So we'll go with the next user story. It says, as a user, I can log into my account so that I can access and bookmark receipts. So we'll start with the positive scenario. And I'll log in with the correct credentials. In this case, I'll be able to log in. Perfect. I'll just quickly log out and try the negative scenario by logging in with an incorrect password, and it won't work. Perfect. My next team member will go through the next user story. Just a second. Yeah. Could I?
Okay, so as a user, I want to edit the only recipes that I created so that I can update my own recipe details. So we will just go and we will try to update the details of the recipe. Okay, we will just create a new recipe by adding it. We can just, yeah. Submit the recipe. And we can go and click to view. And we have a button edit there, so we can edit the recipe and we can just make some changes here and save it. And then we can just go back to the home page. And yes, we will see here that it is updated. So it will be reflected on the database as well. We can check for, but yes, we can see that it is updated here. Okay, we can go back and then we can just click to the other recipe so that we can see that it is that we cannot edit someone else's recipe. Yes, we don't have any buttons to edit it. Okay, we can go back. So the next one is as a user, I can search recipes by name or keyword so that I can access quickly, find the recipe that I want. So we can just go to the homepage and we can search. We want to search for rice. Yes, we have a meatball, even though we didn't type it the word by itself. And if you go meatball, it will also give us the result of the meatball. Yes, and then also we want to search the recipe that does not exist. We can search maybe for bread. Yes, we can. Yeah, whatever. Yes, we don't have any recipes for bread. Yes, this is all for a search button. Keta can continue.
Keta?
Yeah, so the next, as a user, I can filter recipes so that I can quickly locate the recipes to see all the available recipes. So if we set the filter to all the recipes, it will display like all the recipes in the system. And if we set the filter to just my recipes, it will display only recipes created by the login user. And
So,
yeah, so for the next one, as a user, I can bookmark recipes so that I can save them for later. So we can bookmark a recipe and we can also remove the recipe from bookmark. So the recipe ID will remove from user's bookmark array. And we can also view all the bookmark recipes. So here we can see all the bookmark recipes list.
what was the bookmark table?
Sorry?
Guys, where was the bookmark table? Which one? Was it right? Users?
It was in the users.
Yeah, it's here. It's here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it returns the list of all the bookmark recipes. And next, can
Okay, it's my case. So
Just
as a
give me a
user,
second.
sure.
Shoot. Elias, go ahead.
So
Yes,
as a
Lars.
user, yes, I'm here. So as a user, I can add the comment and the review to the recipe, so I can share my experience. So if you go to my recipe, yes, and try to add the review plus the star, we can, yeah. And if we check the database, did you submit it? Under the reviews, Yeah, we can see that the review is added. And the stories are added. And also, as a user, I can update my profile so I can keep my information current. If we go to my profile, we can change the password. And yes, update the password. So the password is updated successfully. And we also can delete the account. So if we try to delete the account, it's gonna delete it successfully. So if we try, yeah, delete the account, it's gonna go back to the signing from. So the account is not existing anymore. Yeah. So
Just give me a second.
sure. Yeah, the account is not there anymore.
Just give me a second.
Sure.
Yeah.
Go to the comment. Okay, so Abdul, is your turn?
Hi, Professor. Hi, everyone. So as an admin, I can log in the admin dashboard so I can manage system securely.
So
And now we're going to test using a wrong password for the admin. Yeah. And also, as an admin, I can manage recipe status so that I can moderate content. So I go to recipe and I will revoke the on port. Revoke. Yeah. So what happens is that when I change the status of the recipe, I should be able to see it on my database and as well as on the user page that it has been revoked. So we're gonna go log in as a user and check if this actually displays.
can someone give a login ID? Me?
Eh, sure. You could try y@yahoo.com.
Okay. And the password?
That should be Yakubu1. So it's YAKUBU1. Correct.
Y
A,
E
no, A as in apple.
YA
KU,
BU.
yeah, KUBU. Yeah. You know what? Let me just type it on the chat for you.
Okay, yeah. Please put on the chat, please.
Yeah, it's on the chat. Okay.
I got it. Yeah. Next one,
Yeah, and also, I want to view all recipes as an admin.
Yeah.
Then the next one is load all customers. That's for you, Krishna.
Just give me some. As an admin, I can view all the users, or I can monitor the registered accounts. So the positive scenario is load user list, and the expected is it returns a full list of registered user. So from the dashboard, there are 9. Yeah. When going to the database, here you could see that there are 9 users registered. And same here in the dashboard, it shows 9 users. And the next one is, as an admin, I can manage user status. So the positive scenario is that the admin can approve a user. The next scenario that we are testing is reject a user, and the third is revoke a user. So these 3 functionalities can be done. So for example, if we are taking Kone, so in the database, user Kone is there. As of now, there is no status updated, and I'm suspending her from here. And yeah, she's suspended. And likewise, I can unsuspend her, and I can also remove her from the user list. So yeah, in the dashboard, the count is reflected, and same as in database, this count is reflected. Yep. That's it for it. You're done. So Stella, are you giving any conclusion or something? Or can I stop? It's good, I think. Yeah, we don't have time.
Yeah, we
Okay.
need to submit it as soon as possible.
4 minutes.
You have all the files? Karishma?